People all over the world are listening to this and arguing about it. Do you hear Yanny or Laurel?
Laurel. Laurel. Laurel.
How does anybody hear Laurel out of that? We're going to discuss ahead why the answer is so important to so many of us. You are watching CBS.
Sounds like Laurel.
You hear Laurel?
Yes.
No. Welcome back to CBS This Morning, where the Yanny-Laurel debate continues. That we're going to take it into the green room. Mark Benioff, top CEO, Dr. Samson Davis, and Charlie Jeter are coming to the table next. But guys, do you hear Yanny or do you hear Laurel? Mark Benioff, you go first.
I hear Yanny. What does it mean?
Okay. Charlie, what do you hear? Charlie Jeter?
Laurel.
Laurel.
Dr. Samson Davis, what do you hear?
Obviously, is Yanny.
Okay, they say people 25 tend to hear Yanny. If you're younger, you hear Yanny. If you're older, you tend to hear Laurel. It all has to do with your higher pitch frequency. So there you go, Mark Benioff.
Proof you guys are so young.
We have young ears. I like it. I like it.
All of that.